Hello and welcome to the Duty Society online classes. As we all are aware that due to the corona cases that have been emerging so far at a very faster pace in your city, we are not able to go to the regular classroom programs. So in order to make sure that you keep on preparing for your competitive exam, we are coming up with the Duty Society online classes for all your subjects. Either they have been taught to you in the classroom programs or they are left behind. They will be taught to you over here through the online lectures by the Duty Society. So this is an initiative that we are trying to take so that you should not lag behind due to the corona virus, and I will try to make sure that all the portions of your syllabus should be completed and given to you in the form of the video lectures that you can see, check and practice at your home. And we cannot do anything. We all know that the things have gone down very much, and due to the government considerations we cannot move on to have the classes for any of the batches over here. But still we should not waste our time, because we are getting much more time as we previously thought for the competitive exam. So we should not waste our time. So what are we having is that we are having your environmental awareness, we are having quantitative numerical ability, comprehension, verbal skills, reasoning intelligence, and data analysis interpretation with their supportive divisions. 25 marks, 25 marks, 20 marks, 15 marks and 15 marks. अब क्या है बेटा चीज़ कि देखो समझो, you all are more than mature people. You are graduates from the reputed universities and colleges. I do miss our regular discussions of our classroom program that we used to have. The regular discussions, the words, the exercises, the sheets, the healthy environment that we had. I really miss that a lot, and I just hope that these things get sorted out soon and we can get back to our classroom program. But what to do? In the meantime, we have to find a narrow path that can help us to clear our entrance exam. I met some people like week back or 2 weeks back, some boys from your batch who asked me that how are the things. Abid, I met Abid, and he said that, so when are the online classes going on? So this is the time that we are going to start up the online classes, as the students are reluctant to get to that platform that they were asking for. And you all are graduate, you know the situation, its gravity and the conditions that are going on in such a very differential way. And now if I talk about today, so there have been like 24 cases of corona have come up in Aligarh as well, so which is a bit thing that we have to take care of. We have to make sure that follow all the rules given to us by the government of India, that we need to go on with social distancing, staying at home, wearing mask, eating sanitized food and clarifying the environment around us so that we should not get quarantined. Okay, we should not get affected by the disease in this quarantine time. So make sure that the lectures that are being given to you over here, they will be helping you out definitely and surely, that you should be able to clearly express yourself and cover up yourself. See, you all are having the material. आप सभी के पास मटेरियल मौजूद है बेटा, जो आपको दिया गया था, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि एक ज़िम्मेदार स्टूडेंट की तरह आप लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होंगे, इन्जॉय नहीं कर रहे होंगे खाली घर पे बैठे हुए कि नेट का इस्तेमाल है 1.5 GB, तो लाओ आज ये मूवी देख लो, लाओ आज वो सीरीज़ देख लो. तो ठीक है, इट्स ओके, गिविंग टाइम टू दैट ऑल्सो इट्स ओके, लेकिन विद दैट दिस इज़ ऑल्सो योर प्राइम एम, है ना. जब तक क्लास चल रही थी एक बहुत अच्छा और हेल्दी डिस्कशन हमारा चल रहा था. आई रियली मिस दैट डिस्कशन अ लॉट. आई मिस यू पीपल अ लॉट इन द क्लास, because it was really a very nice time that we all were having a great discussion, questions, shouting out, coming up with the answers and everything. That was really very nice. But what to do? The things have gone down the drain because of this pandemic that have extended to worldwide. अब बस ये है बेटा, I'll make sure that you should be able to get the classes of all these subjects that have been written over here and that are present in your syllabus as well. These are there in your syllabus as well. So what you need to do is that you need to make sure that you listen to the lecture properly, and you are able to get through the questions also properly that are present over there. If you find out any doubt, you can write it back to the mail, or I hope that you won't be having that much doubt, but I'll try to make sure that you can get the accessing of certain things, that you can be able to get your doubts cleared as well. But still, in the meantime, make sure that, see, the division of marks is validating itself. See, comprehensions and verbal ability, that belongs to the English. That is a 20% mark, that is a 20 mark scenario, and for that only I told you that this thing is something that you are going to have a grip on your hand. You don't have to worry about it. Now comes up the other 25% marks, like environmental awareness and quantitative numerical ability. In these you have to do your efforts. Certain time there are certain people who are not from the mathematics background, they find certain problems in the reasoning portion. So for them I would like to suggest that please do not hesitate yourself. 15% of 15 marks is quite a big number, a big ratio that is required for you to clear yourself. Because I would wish that each and every one of you should get the AMU campus only over here. Okay, and in order to get that campus you need to score that much that your GDPI must not be affected by your score. Last year also, when I was taking the lectures for the GDPI of the students who were competing for MBA, so there were certain people who did not acquire the campus center over here, just because of the reason that the score was not too well. In GDPI they scored well, but in the end that day the overall score was not to that extent. So that is why I would like to say that make sure that you should be able to clarify it clearly and completely to the best of extent, and you would be able to clear that exam for the AMU campus only. For that, identify that which portion of yours is just lacking behind, start working on that. For some people who are directly from the arts background, maybe they wouldn't have studied the mathematics, so there would be issues for these things or the numerical abilities. So for that, you need to make sure that this portion should not bring you down. They should help you to score well, but it should not bring you down. So make sure that you should be able to get through it. Alright? Now, finally, before moving on, we all know that there is negative marking. I'll try, and you should be having the previous year papers. If you don't have it, download it as soon as possible. You can download it. Start practicing it. I know that you people are too cunning and clever, and you would have downloaded the paper by now, and you would be practicing it at your own end. But that's not the end. You would be having certain questions behind the book of the package and material provided to you. So start working on that as well. Okay. So I hope that you are able to get the best what I am trying to do for you over here, what we are trying to do for you over here for the Duty Society online classes, that you should be able to get each and everything sitting at your home through the data internet. You would be given up the password and your user ID that you will be using for accessing the videos. You will be having the videos time to time, uploading of the videos will be there, and you would be able to visualize them on a sequential basis. So keep watching and make sure that your effort should not go in vain. Keep remembering yourself that you have to clear the entrance exam. Do not fathom down the aura that you used to have in the classroom program. I remember that most of the time the girls were the best performers, and I was expecting the boys should be doing something more. So I hope that the girls should be maintaining that aura, and they should be working hard and bringing out certain good ranks and reputation to the family, and at least to me as well. I am having a lot of expectations from all of you, so I hope that you will be working on that and getting on to the best of the results existing by now. So stay safe, stay at home, stay clean. नहाते धोते रहना. जो लोग हफ्ते में एक बार नहा रहे हैं, please try to make sure that you take bath regularly on the basis. Okay. Apart from that, sanitization is required. Make sure to follow the rules of the government and start preparing for the entrance exam. Best of luck to all of you, and I hope that you're going to enjoy the lectures the way you used to enjoy in the classroom program. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe, stay secure. Bye-bye.